Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix the error this game requires 6 GB of video memory in WWE 2K26 on PC. First, you should know that WWE 2K26 requires at least 6 GB of RAM on your graphics card. If your GPU has less than 6 GB of video memory, the game may not run and there is no proper fix except upgrading the graphics card. You can also check the game's Steam store page, scroll down to additional notes, where it clearly mentions that the GPU must have at least 6 GB of video memory. For this, open Graphics Settings in Windows, add the game's exe file, and select High Performance. Desktop users should confirm the display cable is connected to the graphics card, not the motherboard. You can also disable integrated graphics from Device Manager. Next, make sure Windows is fully updated. Click Check for Updates, install all available updates, and restart your computer. Finally, update your graphics driver. Go to the official NVIDIA or AMD website, download the latest driver for your GPU, and install it. After updating the driver, restart your PC and launch the game again. One of these steps should help resolve the issue if your system meets the requirements. Thanks for watching, and please like the video and subscribe to the channel.